Well, as we were traveling, we found another place for us to go to adventure on, and it is called the Wetlands Institute. It's in Stone Harbor, New Jersey, where we are about to go on a safari of some things. Wonder if it's what you're thinking it might be. Let's go and see. Come on. Hey, so we are at the Wetlands Institute, and we are about ready to go on that safari. So we're going to learn more about it as we go. So come along. So it was a little too windy to hear all of the amazing facts and details that we heard while we were out on the marsh, but I did make sure that I kept some of the video of the information on there as well. Now we're going to be going in to go to the secrets of the salt marsh, and they'll be inside so we can talk a little bit better. It's like a touch and feel museum where you can touch and understand how important all of these things are. Horseshoe crabs certainly do look like a dinosaur from long ago. They are a very important part of even our healthcare system.
And I've got the spider crab.
The spider crab? Yeah, I can show you the spider crab in just a second.
Well, that horseshoe crab has some growth there.
You'd be totally surprised. They're totally harmless. Their tail is mainly used for defense purposes. It's just used to flip them over. This is like their weaker side, so if you see them on the beach kind of flipped like this and it doesn't look like they're flipping back over very easily, you can go and help them. But you don't want to use their tail. You want to kind of put them up right here. Their pinchers really don't even hurt, I promise you. Like, you pinching me right now. I can't even like it doesn't even.
Say, ooh, you're so scary.
And he has some growths there, like some growths underneath.
So these are barnacles. They kind of just latch on. That's usually how you can tell how old a horseshoe crab is. The more they have, usually means they're older. If you want to touch them, you can touch right up here. It's like a hard shell. These are his eyes. He has some more eyes on the underside also that you can't really see, but. And this is a male horseshoe crab. And you can tell it's a male horseshoe crab because they have these bigger, he's smaller. Yeah. And he has these big claws right here that look a little different from the other ones. And the female ones, they all look the same, so that's how you can tell. That's pretty cool. Would you guys like to see, you want to see the spider crab?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Wow. Yeah, he's pretty cool. If you want to feel him, he's pretty bumpy right here. He kind of looks like a rock. We do have other ones in here, and they're kind of hard to spot because they really like that area under that sand.
Oh yeah, right?
And he has some really little pinchers, so he won't pinch you.
Oh.
Anyway. You can see his little mouth right there.
Where's the hermit crab?
The hermit crab? A lot of times they move around, so it's hard to find them. There's one. Looks like he grabbed something.
Yep.
What's his face?
His face, he's protecting it with his claws right now, because inside there, you can kind of see it. He's pretty cool. He actually makes the shell himself out of all the minerals and calcium carbonate.
What? I did not know that.
Yeah.
That's all man-made, homemade.
Yeah.
Is that animal in there?
DIY.
If you want to touch, you can touch any part of him. It's not going to hurt this. It's not going to hurt him or you. He's
People eat
squishy
that,
right here. I'm not sure if people eat them, but this part's kind of hard. It's like a seashell almost.
Yeah, it feels like.
There's some sand on it too.
It's like a shoe.
So are they like slugs or?
They're kind of like slugs. That this part they kind of suction on to different parts of the bottom with it. If you want to touch, you can touch any parts.
It's like a big filter with a family.
Yes. They actually eat plants, which is pretty cool.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's like that.
Hey, can you see the octopus? Do you see him? Trying to blend in, but we found him. They're very smart, and they do like to have some enrichment toys as well. And he will change color to try to blend in. Trying to hide in there. Maybe even trying to get away from me. Oh, we got the back end of his story. Hi. These are some bones that you can get up close and personal with from a pilot whale. Look at this. They can get 12 to 18 feet long, and look at the human. They were generous and said we're about 6 feet. Aha, the predator for the little crabs. So, why do people value the salt marsh? Well, it's for where the fish come and spend a lot of their lives growing up in. It helps to filter out pollution. It protects us from floods and erosion. And it's an open space recreation business, aesthetics, and our cultural and historical heritage. Here's a fun game that you can play. Where's the horseshoe crab? Yay! Ooh, the blue crab. Sea star. Fun. Going on my own little adventure up these stairs. Woo! I don't really like heights, but I'm gonna be brave and go all the way up these stairs to find out where it is that we are going. Okay, stay with me, guys. I'm part of my own challenge to see where it is we are. We made it. Let's go outside. Oh. Wow, we did it. You can see all of the different parts of the marsh. And they call it a bog. And the funny thing is, they've said a stinky bog is a healthy bog. Hey everybody, so I'm so happy that you were able to join us here at the Wetlands Institute here in Stone Harbor. I would encourage you to check it out for yourself because a lot of things here that they did, we weren't able to hear on that video because it was so loud and windy. But they do a lot here to help rehabilitate the terrapin, and they release them back into the marsh that one day hopefully they'll be swimming out in that ocean. So maybe it will make us stop and think about what it is that we do with all of our garbage and how we use our water, and maybe be a better citizen and take care of our land around us, because it's just so important. And when you get to come to places like this, you get to hear how much of it we don't know about and we don't always see because we're always so busy. So I've enjoyed getting to know some more about it, and I'm so glad that you came on this journey with us. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and keep coming back and going on these fun adventures. You never know where we're going to show up next. Bye!